Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these easy dinner rolls. Let's begin. To start, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your bread flour along with the salt and give the two a brief mix just to incorporate them. You can then go ahead and add in the yeast, the milk powder, the shortening and the water and mix it on a low speed to start with for roughly 2 minutes, followed by 4 minutes on a medium high speed or until a clear and clean dough has formed. You can then go ahead and flour your work surface using some of the bread flour and place your dough onto it. Then just start to knead it and incorporate some of that flour. Work the dough until it's smooth and elastic. Bring the dough into a ball shape and place into your lightly oiled bowl and cover with cling film and then leave to prove for around 45 minutes to an hour or until the dough has doubled in size. So here is what the dough looks like once it's fully proved. You'll then want to remove the cling film from on top and place your dough onto a floured surface, knocking it back. That's just the process of removing the gases that have built up during the first proof and goes to show that the yeast is working. Bring the dough back into a ball shape and then take the total weight of it. With the total weight you'll then want to divide it by 12 and that's how much each of your rolls should weigh. Mine is always around 70 to 71 grams, but yours may differ. It should be roughly around that mark. Once you've got your dough weighed up, you can then round the dough off just using your hand and the countertop and just round it off until it's smooth. Then you'll want to make sure you put it onto a tray, keeping the dough covered so it doesn't skin over. Onto a standard sized baking tray which has been lined, you can get 12 rolls easily. Make sure that there's a space in between each as they do proof up and they may batch together, which is perfectly fine for this recipe. Cover with cling film and leave for around 45 minutes to an hour until the dough has doubled in size. Once it's done that, you can remove the cling film and place them into the oven. I'll leave all that information in the blog post down below. So here are what the dinner rolls look like once they are fully baked and almost fully cooled. You can then just rip into them and enjoy them that way, or you can, I don't know, cut them, whichever works best for you. This recipe for dinner rolls is perfect. They're not too big and they're not too much, so you can enjoy them with most meals. Perfect to go with soup as well, which is probably what most people would enjoy them with. But yeah, there you go, that's how you make them. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again on Thursday with another video, so join me then. But in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description of this video. There'll be a direct link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and then all my social media links, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today, bye guys.